No mai, welcome. Hey, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? It must be Toi Time. Huake tata.
And we got Anika Māia, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because they bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi Time. Māia. Mama. Jojo. Anika. Toi Time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Ki te whare, ko Māia tōku ingoa, and this is my whānau.
Kia ora, ko Tama aho.
And I'm Jojo. Have you met our good friend Mōhio?
Ai,
Mōhio, mihi atu.
tēnā koutou, nau mai. Welcome to our whare.
And, where are those other two? Kia ora.
I'm Oma. I'm a rapati.
And I'm Wolfie, the cuddliest wolf in town.
Ai, ko koe tēnā, Wolfie. Hey, Jojo. Kia ha te mate. You look sad.
I am. Titiro. It's raining outside.
Oh, well, don't worry. It's just a sun shower. It'll be gone soon.
Really?
And you know what the best part is? It'll probably leave behind a rainbow.
Hey, yeah. Wait a minute. Rain makes rainbows?
Hey, Mōhio,
Ai,
can you please tell us a little bit more about uenuku, rainbows?
ai marika. That's right. When the sun shines on water droplets in the sky, it creates a rainbow.
Wow.
What's your favourite rainbow colour?
Red. Actually, green. Oh, wait, no. I like yellow. Oh, I can't choose.
What about yours? Kei te pai, we can like lots of colours.
Phew.
When I look up in the sky, I see the clouds and birds fly by. What's that far away? I see a rainbow just above the trees. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, might be yellow, but the next it might be blue. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me. Oh, such a lovely rainbow. Oh, all the colors there for me.
Kia ora. Can you see what I'm painting? It's a big curved shape, and I've painted red, orange, yellow, and green too. Aye, it's an uenuku, a rainbow. Okay, what colour is next? Let's use blue. I love blue. Blue like the ocean, blue like the sea, blue like Jojo's eyes, blue like Māia's eyes, and Ana. And to finish our uenuku, huh? Purple? Fabulous idea. I love purple. Purple like Putzi Putzi. Purple like the sky. Sometimes. There. A great, beautiful rainbow. Uenuku.
Tama, te tiro. Oh, mō taku he. Oh, Tama, I'm sorry.
You have given me the best idea! Grass! Go for it! Go, go, go!
Oh.
Brilliant! It feels weird, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it's slippery, Tama. Oh.
Woohoo!
Guys, the rain's getting stronger. Shall we grab our buckets and go outside and...
Tama's sleeping.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. It rained all night, now the sun is bright, and a rainbow came out in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. It rained all night, now the sun is bright, and a rainbow came out in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. It rained all night, now the sun is bright, and a rainbow came out in the morning.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, I'm Buzz, and today I'm on an important mission to find these colours. I'm gonna start with blue. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Fly mine. Oh, 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 oh. I can see kikorangi. It's blue. Gotcha. Oh. Yeah. That's the buzz, Kaz. Woo! Yeah! Oh. Now let's find orange. karaka, orange. Got you. I'm gonna go down the slide now. Kia ora whānau. You're here with Buzz. Buzz the cuss. In the field. Oh, I'm heading up to the big As slide. Come check this one out. Let's go for the ride of our lives. Ooh. Here we go. All right. Count down with me. Toru, rua, tahi. Yeah! Oh, that was so mean. Now we're off to find kōwhai. Yellow. Bye, mate. I can't find yellow anywhere. Can you see it? It's right there. Oh, this is hard work. We got one more to go, whānau. Tere mahi, get the treats. Let's go. Green! Green! Oh, I found you, Green. Now, it's your time to find me. Tag, you're it. Green will never find me here. Oh, you found me, Green. I'll see you next time. Ka kite.
Da da boom boom da boom boom da boom boom da.
Hey, I got a lot of faith in ya. I'll stick with you, kid, that's the bottom line. Yeah, you have a lot of fun, don't ya? And living with you is a ball of a time. Hey, beauty, when the mood gets you down, your bottom lip snare dragging on the ground. That's when I gotta play the clown for ya. Black humor made you kick your boots. Her love shines over my horizon. She's a slice of heaven. Warm moonlight over my horizon. She's a slice of heaven. Her love shines over my horizon. She's a slice of heaven.
Two red apples, 4 yellow bananas, and 2 oranges. Oh, an orange is orange and called an orange. That's bananas.
Knock, knock.
Someone's at the door.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Huh? Orange? Orange who?
Orange, you glad to see me? Hey, if I'm here, you know what time it is. It's Takuro time! Yeah! Hey, and you can't have Takuro time without me. I've got all the bestest toys.
Well, kia tere then. What did you bring today?
Oh, wait till you see what I got today for Takuro time, my cousin.
Oh, kia tere, what did you bring?
Put that on.
Oh, a
Here we
full-time
go.
model.
All right, sweet.
Oh,
and
what are we
that.
building? Whoa.
Yeah, and take that one.
Kikorangi.
Yeah,
Oh.
and this one here, my cuz.
Oh,
yeah,
ma.
and take this one, my cuz. I got heaps
Oh.
down here. All right,
Kahurangi.
you ready? Quick fire, my cuz.
Oh,
Put 'em up
mawhero.
here.
Oh,
we go.
mawhero.
Parauri.
Oh, parodi.
Mawhero.
Oh, mawhero.
Anō.
Oh, ma.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, ma.
Look at the meanest magic box.
Oh,
Here we go.
oh, parodi.
We can build whatever we want.
Woohoo.
Check it out, whānau.
Oh,
The
no.
meanest building blocks. I'm gonna start with this one right there.
Who's that?
Oh, kia ora. Oh, Auntie just had to have a big moe. I love sleeping. And did you know that while you're sleeping, your body is working really hard to help you grow? It's important to get lots of sleep. So when you wake up, you're feeling stronger, fresher, and you wake up ready to sing. La, 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 la. Auntie's ready. Tahirua toruwha. Kia ora everyone, it's Anika Moa here, and I've written a song called Ngā Tai o te uenuku, which means the colours of the rainbow. And they're all in te reo Māori. Let's go. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. This song's cool. Ka tere ake? Should we go faster? Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Whero is red. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Wai poro poro is purple. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Paraure is brown, 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 brown. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Kia tere ake. Kiwi kiwi is grey. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Ma is white. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Ka whero is pink, yes it is green. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Oh my goodness, this is getting crazy. Karaka kakariki kikorangi kōwhai, pango whero wai poro poro, paraure kiwi kiwi mama wheronga, tai o te uenuku. Ngā tai o te uenuku. Ngā tai o te uenuku. Ngā tai o te rainbow. Ngā tai o te colours of the rainbow. Colours of the rainbow. Colours of the rainbow. Cheer, brew.
Te tiro. This wira has all of my favourite colours on it. And here, I've collected some special things from the taiao. Can you help me match them with the colours on my wira? Yes? Ka pai. Kua rite. Ana, he momo harakeke tēnei. This is a type of harakeke, which is the colour parauri, brown. Let's pop it on the wheel, shall we? Parauri, brown. Ka pai. Next up, this beautiful flower, which is the colour kahurangi, blue. Now, where do you think the colour blue is on the wheel? Perfect. Got it. Next up we have... Ooh, one of my favourites. A leaf, which is the colour whero, red. Cow. Red, whero. We're getting close. What's next? Oh, a another beautiful flower. This time, it's the colour arani, orange. Now, I think that this colour might be next to the colour fiddle. There it is. Ah, an orange flower. Okay, we've got 2 more colours left. Let's see. Oh, I have this beautiful little flower now. And this time, it's the colour kōwhai, yellow. And I think it goes here. Oh, have to be careful, it's only little. And last but not least, I have, a bunch of flowers, the colour waiporoporo. That's right, purple. Right. Ara, ko ngā tai o te taiao. Lots of beautiful colours collected from our environment. Thanks for helping. What colour is the grass? What colour is the grass? Kakariki, kakariki, the colour of the grass is green. Green. What colour is the sky? What colour is the sky? Kahurangi, kahurangi, the colour of the sky is blue. Blue. What colour is the sun? What colour is the sun? Kōwhai, 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 the colour of the sun is yellow. Yellow. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. What colour is an apple? What colour is an apple? Fiddle, 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 the colour of an apple is red. Red. Colours are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow and blue. Kakariki, kahurangi, kōwhai, kōwhai, mawhero, mawhero, whero, whero, la 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 la. Apahua. I've used kakariki and kōwhai. Now I need a colour for the middle. I think I need brown. Hey, Mōhio, how do you make brown?
Easy. You try mixing together yellow, green and blue.
That's right. Brown. Hey, Mōhio, what's the Māori word for brown?
The Māori word for brown is parodi.
Parodi. Ooh, I'm going to use parodi for the centre of my sunflower. All done. Hey, thanks for your help, Mōhio, with my sunflower.
He puti puti rā.
He puti puti rā.
Oh, what's up, Rapiti?
Oh, don't you know, Wolfie? It's that time again.
Oh, it is? Oh, it's time to sing a waiata.
Oh, no, not that time.
Oh, it's time to practice our colours.
Oh, we did that already, Wolfie.
Oh. So, what time is it then, Oma? Oh, it's time for a story. Mai.
It's story time! And we love reading stories. Okay. Ziggy is a kitten who thinks he is a dog. Ziggy is a black and white kitten who thinks he is a dog. Ziggy is very fluffy. Ziggy has a massive black tail that he likes to chase. Ziggy has a pirate eye, swims and climbs trees. Ziggy has a motor mower purr. Ziggy lies like a scarf around people's necks and purrs loudly. Ziggy has friends who sunbathe together on trampolines. Chairman Meow and Claude with half a tail. Sometimes Ziggy and his friends sprint past Jade. Where are they going, Jade wants to know. Can I come too? Ziggy has a smile on his face all the time, every day, even when it rains. Jade is in love with Ziggy the kitten who thinks he is a dog. I can climb trees better than any monkey, Ziggy meows to Jade. I can sit on command, which is true. I can beg on command, which is not true. I am meant to be a dog, Ziggy meows to Jade. Ziggy vanishes out his cat door to climb the punga tree. Such a funny kitten, says Jade's mum. We will need to get him a collar. A collar? Oh, then maybe a lead, wonders Jade. Perhaps Ziggy is really a dog. So, thinks Jade, if Ziggy thinks he is a dog but is actually a cat, can she be anything she wants? Could Jade be a kitten if Ziggy can be a dog? Jade lets out a little soft
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soi whā e noho rā. Ka kite anō, we'll see you